Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Cleo's roast feature to get spending feedback. Now, Cleo's roast mode is a fun but brutally honest way to get feedback on your spending. It uses sarcasm and humor to shame you into better habits. Of course, if you can take the heat. Now, here's how to enable roast mode. So first thing you gotta do is to, of course, open the Cleo app, and then you gotta tap your profile icon in the app. Once you've done that, you're gonna go to settings, chat personality, and then you're gonna choose roast mode or hype mode. Now here's how to use it. You're gonna type roast me in the chat, and then you're gonna get a sassy AI powered takedown of your worst spending habits. For example, you might get a response like, you spent $70 on coffee. Are you trying to personally keep Starbucks afloat? Or you could get, you said you're broke and then blew $100 on takeout. Make it make sense. Now, you can use it as a reality check or just for fun. But many users say that it motivates them to think twice before impulsive spending. So you can take advantage of that as well and help you improve on your spending habits. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.